How was your day?
Oh, fantastic. This is like sailing, but easier.
Yeah? Yeah, and what kind of wind did you have?
12 steady, good 3-4 foot waves. No real breakers yet, but enough to go downhill real fast. That was a lot of fun. The kids loved it. I had a good time. Just easy boats to sail, and a lot of fun. They bounce around through the waves, really responsive on the helm, and it's just hard to screw them up. So, yeah, really like them.
Awesome. Thank you.